Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix isdone.dll and an arc.dll error when you try to install your favorite games, usually games that are repack mode. So here we go. In order to fix it, you have to know the possible cause. So if your PC ROM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So of course, it's mostly related to the installation of PC game as well as programs of large size. So the point is your PC or ROM doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process. Yeah, you can try to increase your Windows page file or virtual memory. You can press Windows plus R. You can hold Windows key and R key button on your keyboard to open run command box. Here we go. Here you can try to type sysdm.cpl in order to launch system properties. You can click advanced, click settings. Again, in performance option, you can click advanced and click change on virtual memory. Here you can untick automatically manage paging file size for all drives. And here we go, you can click custom size and fill the blank here, initial size and maximum size. Here, for most games, 2.5 GB is enough, so the values which work in most cases is 400 and 3000. Note that the values are in megabytes, so this set the maximum paging file to the tune of 3 GB. But you have to learn more because you have different setup. Again, or the basis is your PC, RAM of your PC or RAM of your laptop. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And subscribe to the button below. See you in the next video.